Right, what we're doing today is just a little bit of tree surgery to a dead eucalyptus tree that seems to have succumbed to last year's drought. Now, quite a straightforward operation. You can either ring up the man with the yum-yums and the brrrs and he'd charge you a few £100, or you get the ladders up and you do it yourself. Get your decent sized rope up into the fork of the higher branches. Just take a lump of something heavy like lead, tie it onto some garden twine and just fire it up through the branches. And when you get it into a decent sized fork, you can tie the other end onto your decent rope and pull the thing up into position. Right, so it's quite a straightforward method of passing a rope up and over through a high branch and attaching it to the limb you're going to cut down. Quite a straightforward operation, and now all we need is somebody to get up there and cut through this limb. Easy peasy. Obviously it's a good idea to have the other end of the rope tied onto something heavy. Then when you've done the cut, your limb will be hanging on that rope, and you'll be able to remove some of the weight from your counterweight, your bucket, and just lower the thing down. Nice and neat and tidy. So there we have our limb neatly down on the ground, ready to be cut up. The only slight complication is the bucket is now in the tree. Let's get your assistant on the rope if you've got one. All that leaves us to do now is remove this trunk, which is about 1 foot across. Well, thanks for watching everyone. Hope you found that interesting. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see what else we get up to as we do DIY jobs.